On this day in history, the 1755 Lisbon earthquake devastated the city, triggering a century of scientific and philosophical upheaval. Sophisticated fires followed the quake, but it was the aftershocks of knowledge that reshaped Europe, from philosophy to urban planning. European thinkers debated how to rebuild, balancing tradition with new ideas about resilience, infrastructure, and public safety. The catastrophe accelerated modern ideas about seismology, insurance, and centralized governance that would influence cities for generations. Today, Lisbon's rebuilt hillsides remind visitors that disaster can catalyze lasting progress when science guides rebuilding.